Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the Canon EOS R50 V and the Fujifilm X-M5. The Canon EOS R50 V is a compact, video-first mirrorless camera that blends cinema EOS DNA into an approachable, creator-friendly package. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-M5 enters as a compact, film simulation-rich camera with open-gate 6.2K video and retro design, all aimed squarely at the content creator crowd. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two mirrorless cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design and build quality, both cameras show very different philosophies. The Canon EOS R50 V is small and lightweight, cutting down its size by ditching the traditional viewfinder. It's clearly focused on solo creators, adding thoughtful features like a front-facing record button and a live button for quick streaming access. The R50 V also packs in practical physical controls, including a custom zoom rocker for Canon's new power zoom lens, and direct buttons for color profiles and shooting modes. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-M5 leans more into retro charm, with its faux leather wrap and traditional metal dials. While it doesn't have a viewfinder either, it retains a flip-out screen and dedicated dials for mode and film simulation control, giving creators that tactile Fujifilm feel. Ultimately, for build quality and physical appeal, the Fujifilm X-M5 edges ahead. It feels more premium and refined in the hand, and its classic styling is likely to resonate more with those who love the aesthetics of shooting as much as the results. When it comes to displays and controls, both cameras are trying to solve similar problems in different ways. Canon's approach is creator-centric, the front-facing red record button, the power zoom rocker, and direct access buttons make solo shooting incredibly intuitive. The R50V also has vertical video support with vertical UI display and a tally lamp to signal recording. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-M5 trims back traditional controls for a sleeker, simplified rear panel, but it adds a film simulation dial, a customizable unmarked dial, and a front wheel for adjusting exposure, aperture, and more. Fuji's layout feels more minimal, but also more customizable for those who already shoot Fujifilm and want consistency across bodies. Canon takes the win here for display and control design. Its button layout, red record indicators, and creator-first touches are just easier to use straight out of the box, especially for those upgrading from smartphones. Video capabilities are where this matchup really heats up. Canon's EOS R50 V is no slouch. It delivers crisp, oversampled 4K video at 30p from 6K data, and also offers 4K at 60p and full HD at 120p for slow motion. It also includes Canon Log 3, look files, a tally lamp, false color, timecode, and zebra options. And this thing screams cinema EOS heritage. It's optimized for live production too, being the first Canon camera compatible with the Live Switcher app for multicam streaming. But then you look at the Fujifilm X-M5, and its standout spec is 6.2K open-gate recording. That's a massive win for multi-platform content creation, allowing for flexible aspect ratio cropping from a single video take. The X-M5 also shoots 4K video at 60p and offers F-Log2 for color grading, as well as built-in film simulations for quick stylized looks. It's a tight battle, but the Fujifilm X-M5 takes the crown in video quality and flexibility thanks to its 6.2K open-gate format, 10-bit color depth, and superior in-camera creative options. When it comes to autofocus and overall performance, both cameras are powered by impressive systems. The Canon EOS R50 V uses dual-pixel CMOS AF2, and in early use it tracks faces, eyes, animals, vehicles, and more with fast and reliable precision. Canon has long had a great reputation for its intuitive and sticky autofocus, and the R50 V continues that legacy even when switching between live streams or fast-paced scenes. On the Fujifilm side, the X-M5 steps things up by borrowing the X Processor 5 engine from higher-end models. This means you get advanced subject detection, including birds, insects, cars, and more. A level of versatility that puts it ahead of most similarly priced cameras. Both are great, but Fujifilm pulls slightly ahead here. The breadth of subject recognition, paired with the processor's snappy response, gives the X-M5 a small but meaningful edge for those needing advanced AF across varied subjects. As for my final verdict, if you're a video-first content creator who prioritizes a streamlined setup, live streaming capabilities, and intuitive design, the Canon EOS R50 V is your camera. But if you're a hybrid shooter who values top-tier video quality, beautiful in-camera film simulations, and a premium build with creative flexibility, the Fujifilm X-M5 is a serious contender. Whichever direction you lean, you can't go wrong. But it all depends on how you create. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you found this comparison helpful, we've got more camera showdowns coming your way soon.